Here are 14 natural methods to help you shed pounds quickly and then keep it off for good. Start losing weight by incorporating whole foods into your diet. Think fresh fruits like apples and berries, leafy greens, broccoli, and whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. These foods are nutrient-packed and low in calories, helping you feel full longer. Whole foods fuel your body with essential vitamins and minerals. This leads to better digestion, more energy, and a stronger immune system. Gradually, add more whole foods to your meals can make a big difference in your weight loss journey and overall health. Portion control is key. Use smaller plates and serve meals with lean proteins like chicken or tofu, healthy fats like avocado, and a generous helping of non-starchy vegetables. This simple trick can help you eat less without feeling deprived. Snacking smart is also crucial. Choose options like a handful of almonds, carrot sticks with hummus, or Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries. Mindful eating is another powerful tool. Chew slowly and savor each bite. By controlling your portions and making mindful choices, you can enjoy a variety of foods while still working towards your weight loss goals. Don't confuse thirst with hunger. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full and prevent unnecessary snacking. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Adding a twist to your water can make it more enjoyable. Try adding lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing flavor. When you feel a snack craving coming on, try drinking a glass of water first. Often, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to eat when we don't really need to. By staying hydrated, you can reduce these unnecessary cravings and stay on track with your weight loss goals. Eliminate sugary snacks and refined carbs like white bread and pastries from your diet. These foods can cause rapid spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Instead, focus on complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy throughout the day. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, are your best friends. Swap out white bread for whole grain alternatives and choose snacks that are both delicious and nutritious. By cutting out sugars and refined carbs, you'll notice a significant improvement in your energy levels and overall mood. Maintain a balanced diet with lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs to keep hunger at bay. Meals like grilled chicken with quinoa, avocado salads, and snacks like boiled eggs or cottage cheese with fruit will help you stay full and energized. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Regular exercise helps boost your metabolism, making it easier to burn calories and shed those extra pounds. In addition to aerobic exercise, don't forget about muscle strengthening activities. Weightlifting, resistance bands, and bodyweight moves like squats and push-ups are excellent choices. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Find activities that you enjoy and can stick with long-term. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine to keep your metabolism revved up and burn calories consistently. Simple changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking further away from your destination, and walking during breaks can add up to significant calorie burn over time. Enjoying active hobbies is another great way to stay moving. Dancing, gardening, and playing sports are fun activities that also provide excellent physical exercise. Even small movements throughout the day can make a difference. Make it a habit to move more, and you'll see positive changes in your weight and overall well-being. For maximum calorie burn in a short time, try high-intensity interval training or HIIT. This method alternates between intense exercise bursts and short rest periods. HIIT is efficient and adaptable to any fitness level, perfect for busy schedules. Push yourself during high-intensity intervals and recover during rest periods. HIIT boosts your metabolism and creates an afterburn effect. Your body continues to burn calories even after the workout. Incorporate HIIT a few times a week for significant fitness and weight loss improvements. Setting realistic weight loss goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track. Aim for losing 1 to 2 pounds per week, as this is a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss. Celebrate small wins along the way. Tracking your progress is another powerful tool. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to monitor your workouts, meals, and weight loss. By setting realistic goals and celebrating your progress, you'll stay motivated and on the path to sustainable weight loss. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to support your metabolism and reduce cravings. A good night's sleep regulates hunger hormones, helping you avoid late-night snacking and emotional eating. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. When you're well rested, your body functions optimally, and you're better equipped to make healthy choices throughout the day. Establishing a regular sleep schedule can help improve your sleep quality. By prioritizing sleep, you'll not only support your weight loss efforts, but also improve your mood, energy levels, and overall health. Effective stress management is key to weight loss. Practice mindfulness techniques like meditation or yoga, and find hobbies you love to reduce anxiety. Stress can lead to emotional eating, where you turn to food for comfort rather than physical hunger. Mindfulness techniques can help you become more aware of your emotions and how they influence your eating habits. Finding hobbies and activities that bring you joy is another great way to manage stress. By managing stress effectively, you'll be better equipped to stick to your healthy eating plan and avoid turning to food for comfort. Plan 3 balanced meals and 2 healthy snacks each day. Start with a nutritious breakfast, like oatmeal with fruit or whole grain toast with avocado. Regular meals and snacks maintain steady energy levels and prevent overeating. Planning in advance helps make healthier choices and stay on track with weight loss goals. Remember, patience is key. Focus on small, consistent changes, like adding more veggies to your meals or taking extra steps daily. Over time, these habits will help you achieve lasting weight loss without the need for drastic measures. Weight loss is a gradual process, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Consistency is more important than perfection, so focus on making sustainable changes that you can maintain long-term. By taking small steps and being consistent, you'll build healthy habits that support your weight loss goals. With time and effort, you'll see the results you've been working towards. Finally, commit to these natural weight loss strategies for long-term success. Embrace whole foods, stay active, manage stress, and prioritize sleep. These sustainable habits will not only help you lose weight, but also enhance your overall well-being. A healthy lifestyle is about more than just weight loss. By adopting these natural strategies, you'll feel better, have more energy, and improve your quality of life. By committing to a healthier lifestyle, you'll not only achieve your weight loss goals, but also enjoy a happier, more fulfilling life. Now that you have these 14 powerful tips, it's time to take action. Start implementing these changes today and see the difference for yourself. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Consistency and commitment are key to achieving lasting results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it to spread the message. Your support helps us reach more people and inspire them to live healthier lives. See you in the next video.